Hi guys, my name is Salah, but you can call me Decipels. In this video I'll be showing you how to properly use the Ordinary Niacinamide serum. It helps to reduce the appearance of skin blemishes. You can use this product in the morning if you want. You can use it in the evening. You can even use it twice in a day. So that is niacinamide. So now let's get into it. Before using niacinamide, clean your face. So you want to wash your face, use a cleanser. Then the next step will be to use your niacinamide, or also like if you are someone that uses a toner. So for example, I would say wash your face, cleanse, use your toner if you have one. The next step will be to apply the niacinamide serum. This stays on your face. You do not have to wash this off. So now we're going to open the bottle. So this is it. I'm going to put 3 drops on my fingertips. That's 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to rub it on my skin just a little bit, then put it on my skin. Try to apply it everywhere. Honestly, sometimes I find out that 3 drops do not like evenly distribute across my face, so I take just a little bit more to make sure that the product gets everywhere. So you can start with 3 drops and just see what works for you, but do not use too much here. Also try to put it under your neck, you know. Yeah, and that's it guys. Niacinamide is gone. And after this, because I feel like the niacinamide, after drying, my face gets dry a little bit. So niacinamide is not the last step. It's advisable to use a moisturizer on top of it, and use your sunscreen. Always use your sunscreen, whether in summer or winter. Always use sunscreen. So that's it guys. Very easy and simple. That is how to use your Ordinary Niacinamide. Please do not forget to check out my other videos, subscribe, and make sure to turn on the notification bell. I post a lot of videos on how to use niacinamide products. I have a full skincare routine using the niacinamide products, morning and night routine, and I have a lot of videos on skincare related topics. So do not miss a thing. Please subscribe to my channel.